Right now, today, is one of the best times in decades to be buying and selling real estate. Motivated sellers are everywhere. People who bought at the peak and cannot hold on. Landlords tired of the headaches. Estates that need to liquidate fast. Homeowners facing life events that will not wait for the market to recover. These sellers need someone who can move quickly and close with confidence. That someone should be you. But if you do not have the tools, the training, and the support to act right now, you are leaving deals on the table every single week. That is why Ron built Closers Club. 1 membership, 3 levels. Everything you need to find deals, analyze them, and close them. Let's start with Foundation. At $59 a month, this is where you begin, and it is loaded. The centerpiece is the CMA tool, Comparative Market Analysis. This is how you know exactly what a property is worth before you ever make an offer. No guessing, no overpaying. You pull the data. You see what comparable homes have actually sold for, and you make your offer from a position of certainty. On top of that, you get Ron's full training library, proven scripts and contracts ready to use, a monthly live Q&A with Ron and his mentors, an active community of investors across the United States and Canada, and the 90-day Masterclass Challenge, a structured roadmap to your next closed deal. Everything you need. $59 a month. Now, most investors are trying to run their business on a pile of disconnected parts. A list from one place, skip tracing from another, a website they built themselves, a CRM that does not talk to any of it. They are spending $500 to $1,200 a month on tools that were never designed to work together. Closers Club Pro fixes that. Dream Solutions Pro is a complete real estate platform built for the way Ron teaches you to do deals. 17 motivated seller lists built right in, unlimited skip tracing with no per search fees, direct mail campaigns sent automatically, and a full AI-powered CRM, so every lead is tracked, every follow-up is automated, and no deal ever falls through the cracks. One system, one login, all connected. $297 a month. And then there is Elite. This is for the investor who is serious about treating this like a real business. You get everything in Foundation and Pro, plus the things serious investors want most, direct mentoring. Twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Eastern, you join a live group mentoring call. Real deals get reviewed. Real questions get answered. Real strategies get mapped out. You bring what you are working on and walk away knowing exactly what to do next. This is not recorded content you half watch on the couch. This is live, active, deal-focused coaching from people who have been in the trenches with Ron for years. 3 levels, 1 goal: more closed deals. Now, here is the math most people get wrong. They see $59, $297, $697, and they stop there. That is the wrong question. The right question is, what does one deal do? One deal wipes out your cost for the year, and then some. One deal puts you back in motion. One deal proves to you that this still works and that you can do it. And every level comes with the 90-day Masterclass Challenge included. A structured roadmap designed to get you to your next closed deal. It is in your account the moment your membership activates. Pick your level, get in. The market is not waiting, and neither should you.